Hi everyone, and let's unbox the Galaxy A55 5G. Now this phone gets a lot of hype because it is basically a mid-range phone from Samsung which actually has very decent specs. And actually, let me tell you, by just the unboxing of the device itself before even setting it up, it feels very nice to the hand. So in the box you get a SIM card, which is from Spark because I live here in New Zealand. But the phone itself looks absolutely stunning. Now it comes in two colors here in New Zealand. You can get the device in either awesome navy blue, which is the one that you see here, or awesome ice blue. Now the other one is very bright, however I just thought this one may help hide the fingerprints, especially from the outer sides of the device. And you also get this manual which no one reads, and if you care about the planet, just stop sending that. You get a Type-C to Type-C cable, and that's basically it. And the phone is absolutely beautiful. I will be reviewing it very soon, and I'll see you in next one.